Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and switch on notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online using this free app that pays globally. I'll explain exactly how this works, and if you stick with me until the end of the video, you'll be able to make a lot of money. Don't forget to like this video by clicking the like button and leave a comment below and let me know if you had a fun time learning this new way of earning online. Also, comment if you want more of this video. They pay over $300,000 through PayPal, Visa checks, and various gift cards. It's completely free to sign up, and they'll even give you a $3 bonus just for doing so. Not to mention, this works in every country around the world, and here's proof of how much money other people made with this website. I'll even give you a bonus that will allow you to make a decent amount of money just by watching videos. To do so, go to paypal.com and sign up for free, or just go to Google Play Store or App Store. It's available for both iOS and Android, and download a PayPal app and create an account. PayPal is the best option for me and my personal experience because you can get paid quickly, instantly, and spend that money instantly, and it works in over 200 countries, so chances are it's available in your country as well. However, even if your country isn't on the people list, or even if you're not allowed to create an account, don't worry, you can still receive payments via direct bank transfer, checks, and various gift cards such as Amazon gift cards, eBay gift cards, and so on. The app we'll be using today is called squishycash.com. So this is already squishycash.com. Of course, you can use your phone to access this. I'm using the desktop version since it'll be easier for me to explain it to you. But you can easily do this on your phone and still make excellent money. Now, as I mentioned in the introduction, you can see that they've paid out over $349,000 in total earnings and that they've been around for a while, indicating that it's a legitimate website. If it were a scam, they'd be gone in less than a year, but they've been around for a while. And I've read a lot of reviews and done a lot of research and found that people are happy with the amount of money they're making. They've been paying out every single day, so you can request a payment at any time if you're eligible for withdrawal. And here are all the different gift cards you can get once you start making money. As I previously stated, if PayPal isn't an option for you, you can use eBay gift cards, Walmart gift cards, Starbucks gift cards, Target gift cards, Best Buy gift cards, and so on and so forth to purchase products with this money. You can make money by completing surveys, playing games, and simply signing up for free through various websites. And it's super easy and requires no prior skills or experience. The reason I chose this website, this app, is because they pay a really decent amount of money, and I'll show you exactly how much. You can also generate passive revenue by reselling other people's goods. Then you can get a referral link from this website and share it with your friends, informing them about how they can make money with this website. And once they do, you will obtain 25% of all of their cash offer earnings. So if your friend makes $1,000 with this website, you will make $250 passively and furthermore $1 per active referral. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. To get started with this app, go to squishycash.com or simply open the app on your smartphone device. Go to this section where it says sign up and earn $3 free just for joining and entering your email address. Enter a valid email address and click join now, which will lead you to the next page where you can see that you will be given $3.05 chips simply for signing up for free. And then those 5 chips can also be redeemed for real money or a gift. So now you must put your first name in the box. Your last name goes here, and then you'll create a unique username, whatever you want. and then you'll enter a password, retype the same password, and then you'll enter your email address, which you can just copy and paste over here. Finally, you'll enter your physical address, which goes right here, and don't worry, no one will see it. You can see that this is an optional sign up. You can enter your address later from your account profile, so you don't have to fill it in right now. You must be at least 13 years old to join this app, so you must enter your birthday right here. If you are at least 13 years old and you can sign up, you start making money with this website. You'll then click I'm not a robot, agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy, and then click sign up. Once you've created an account, this is how it'll look. On the left-hand side, you'll be able to track your statistics, how much money you made and how many chips you have, and how much money you earned through referrals. As you can see, this is a brand new account with 0 referrals and only $3 in bonus money. As you can see, I got my $3 for free. Now I can complete different offers on the new offers tab. Go to offer walls, refer friends, and of course, withdraw my money as soon as they have a $15, which is fantastic. You can easily reach $15 with this website and immediately cash out through PayPal checks, direct deposits, Amazon, Skrill, or Dwolla, or other gift cards available. Now, for watching all the way to the end of the video, I want to share with you one more app that you can use to maximize your results, get paid even more, and also make money just by watching videos. It's called Rewarding Ways, and you can find it on your smartphone device or go to rewardingways.com. As you can see, they pay really fast, and you can get paid through PayPal, Skrill, Amazon, and various gift cards. They even pay with Bitcoin, and they will pay you within 24 hours just like the previous app. I don't recommend you to do that because those surveys can be boring, long, and time-consuming to complete. Instead, I recommend you to focus solely on offers that pay you to watch videos because it's a lot easier. You can just let the video play while you do something else and still get paid. Click here to register for free, which will take you to the registration page where you will just fill out some information about yourself. You will enter how you want to be paid. For example, if you want to be paid through PayPal, enter your PayPal email address, and once you've done that, hit register. And you can start making money like these guys on the right-hand side. They're being paid for completing different surveys, different offers, and by using this website. You can see exactly how much they've been making, and the list can go on for over 15,000 pages with 20 different payment proofs on each page. So this is really a great website that I highly recommend if you want to maximize your results and make a decent amount of money with these two completely free apps. That is it for this video. I hope you learned something today and liked our tutorial. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you won't miss out on any of our new content. Thank you very much for watching until the end, and I hope to see you in one of our future videos.